All right, so over email I was asked to help with a question from section 5.1, number 33. And the question asks you to calculate the sum from j equal to 101 to 200 of the power sum, the first order power sum j, by writing it as a difference of two sums using formula 3. Now, formula 3 is the power sum for the sum of j equal to from 1 to n of j, you know, the one that Gauss figured out. And that is equal to n times n plus 1 divided by 2. But notice this goes from 1 to n. And we want to know what is it from 101 to 200. So what we could do is say, well, the sum of I equal to from 1 to 100 of I plus the sum from I equal to 101 to 200 of I is equal to, so if you notice, they're the same thing. Starts at 1, goes to 100, and then this one picks up where this one left off. So really, this is just equal to the sum of I equal to 1 to 200. See, nothing is skipped from 1 to 100, then 101 to 200. So here, we can calculate this using formula 3, and we can calculate this from formula 3, meaning we can find this by subtracting or finding the difference. I equal from 1 to 100 of I minus the sum of I equal from 1 to 100 of I. If we draw the line here, we're left with the sum of I from 101, which we want, to 200 is of I is equal to the sum of I from 1 to 200 of I minus the sum of I from 1 to 100. So in this case, we're going to apply this formula where n is equal to 200 for the first term and n is equal to 100 for the second term. So this is equal to 200 times 201 divided by 2. 2 minus 100, because that's what this n is, times 101 divided by 2. They have the same common denominator. Let's move over here. That means we have 200 times 201 minus 100 times 101, all divided by 2. And plug that into your calculator, which I haven't done here, but I'm going to leave that to you, and you get the answer. I can say, well, this is 1, and that makes this 100, and this 50. Okay? So anytime you want to find something that starts in the middle, you can go from 1 to the top point, and like we did here, and subtract off 1 to the one right before it. I hope this makes sense, and this would be your answer once you plugged it into the calculator, and have fun with that.